Hi everyone, good morning everybody. This is Oscar here again, and today we're gonna keep going, continue with the project that we are working on with regards to the e-commerce platform we are working on, BuilderAll. And today I've set up everything here. As you can see, my dashboard is ready. We're just gonna keep continuing with our edit from the last time we end up. Okay, so basically we are working on today's nutritionchoices.com, my client's actual website that I'm working on as a general niche product. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna keep going. Excuse me. Yeah, the internet is kind of like, a little slow at the moment. Let's see, I hope, it's not gonna stay this way. Yeah, last time, kind of like trying to add the fonts that they would want on their website, and I actually asked the builder all customer service, how can I do that? I actually, they told me how to do and install the or upload the the actual fonts they would want on their website, which is the London. And it happened to, that I actually download the apps. I mean, yeah, the fonts itself and have it in the website. And it's easy. You just need to go right here, and as you can see right here, upload your fonts. So in case you're gonna experience similar to what I'm having right now, where my clients wants to have a specific fonts for their website, it's literally very easy to do when you're inside the builder all platform, and all you just need to do is click this button here on your page dashboard and upload your fonts. And it will literally, let's say if you choose which files do you want, then you can able to upload the fonts right here. Example. I'm just showing you, right? There you go. Okay. That is just in case if your client would ask, different fonts, from their website. So I think everything is done already. I did a little tweak here, and literally I set up everything here very, very, professional, and they have their branding here already. Okay, so the fonts they want, the brand colors, I organize everything here, and literally this is the one that I'm going to present to them. So all the fonts, the colors, so far here that I have here, and then I did replace this, I believe, last time. And here I'm gonna show you how you can work on the social media icons. Okay, there's a lot of way you can do that, because inside builder all they have already their own social media icon fonts, but you can also upload if you wish to have a different uh, icon look. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go over here and show you what I'm trying to say here. If you go change the image here, it will send you to this dashboard here where you can, have your own files, okay? Uh, Upload from your computer, okay? And they also have their own template from Builder All. So if you can see and click those buttons, you will see lots of icons, frames, and all that that you can use, right? They also have different buttons for checkout, add to cart, and all that, right? So everything is here. And they also have a GIFs, you can use as graphics. And literally, you can also download your own GIFs. If you select the button here, and then if you have your own GIFs or images or anything, icons, you can literally have that. But they have a template here. And this is what I'm trying to say here. They have all their social network, right? That you can add. But it is very limited. So if you wish to be more creative, you can literally go to Google and search for, let's say, icon that you want. Let's say Instagram icon PNG, right? Right here. Basically, you can have this and save it to your computer, and you can literally import them. And that's what I did last time. And uh, since I'm already here, I'm gonna replace the one that they have in there, which uh, the icon that I would want on my client's platform. Like here, for example, I grab some of the you know icon images that I would want to replace. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do first. Oh, I need to cancel this. So I want to change the Facebook image, and I think I download some icon that I have yesterday. So that's what I'm gonna use. I think I have the splash one here. Yeah, this is the one that I would want. Right? As I mentioned, you can always be creative and choose which one that you want, as your icon. There you go. So literally, you can import them, use them as your icon inside your, see, because I like it more, you know, uh, looking good and kind of like modern way, right? More modern kind of icon that I have right now. So Twitter, I didn't upload anything yet, so I'm just gonna leave the Twitter as is. And as I mentioned, you can always change, be creative. So in this case, I'm gonna grab the Twitter image or icon that I got yesterday. So I'm gonna go picture. Yeah, I love the splash thing in here, so I'm gonna use those. There you go. Okay, as you can see, it literally changed the icon itself. Okay, so you want to resize them, it's up to you. And I'm gonna show you how you can link the actual URL of that Instagram, okay, or social media. Here you can change to modern YouTube, the because YouTube normally red color, right? So let's go and check. Let's go and check the YouTube. Okay, we're not gonna do that because it's gonna take time. So basically, that's how you're going to do it. And here is how you're going to connect your URL. So click this send link here, this button, and then under the page, under the URL, you can literally add whichever URL you are using for a specific social media account. Let's say my URL for my page on social media, like on my Facebook account is, I'm just gonna try this here. Yeah, this is the one that I would want. So this is the one that you can have, on your, like, see, save it and save. Okay, and I'll show you what is that means. So once I click that, now let's gonna go to the live version. Once you click that, you can literally see that the page went to your actual social media Facebook page. Okay, so this is not the one. Let's resize. There you go. Okay, so once I click this, bam, it will goes to your actual Facebook page. That's how you're going to integrate them. Okay, so that's it. It's literally done here. Look at this beautiful website. It's clean, it's nice, presentable. I think this homepage is literally done, right? And it's look beautiful. So their branding is there. So I use the London uh, fonts and the I think they use Montserrat here. Yeah, Montserrat semi bold classic. They just use two fonts actually. Okay, so wait a minute, hang on a second. So this is literally uh, done website already. No, so this is the only thing that you need to do here. We need to integrate the Google address, the actual address from your Google. And I think we've left something here, and you don't want to miss anything. Okay, so we're gonna work and continue with this. Okay, okay, we're here. I think this is okay now. This setup here, and they can always change that. And here we can add. Oops, oh my God, accidentally touched those. That's the hide element. If you see, that's the thing here, right? If you touch those element here, it's called, hide element. It will literally take out that thingy. Okay, so be careful not to touch those. Okay, and in case, it happened, let's say you touch this button here. This is where you can find what is the element that been taken away. Okay, so here the ice icon. Okay, so here I wanted to not to do like over again, and I have a template before that I use for my. Okay, I think I have an issue with my connection because it's kind of like a little slow and glitchy, right? So I'm gonna take this out. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab a footers that has a content that I don't need to do again. Okay. So I'm just gonna grab those. Oh no, not here. Oh, it's not here. Hmm. Because I need to get the footer. Anyways, it's okay. It's fine. We're gonna do that. Here's what we need to do. In order to do that, I'm just gonna grab a ready panel template, okay? Because here's what I'm trying to do here. I want to have some kind of like where I can have all my uh, legal terms, and I'm showing you where you can get that ready, and we can just literally change it. So let's give this a try if they have it. This template here. Because otherwise, you're going to do it over and over again. So I'm just giving you a sample here. This is not the one what I'm kind of like wanted to have. Just bear with me because, yeah, this computer is really, I don't know if it's the computer or is the actual internet. So bear with me because it's really taking forever. Okay, there you go. So I need to have those. Come on. You need to show up. Let me see if I think there's one that has already. Oh yes, wait. I think it's under the block. Under the block. Right here. This is where you can find also all those legal terms that I'm looking for. Okay. So here, let's grab those. So I don't want to do it again. Here. Here is what we need. Okay. Basically, and it's ready. Go under the go under the block templates. This is very important that we need to have. And also you want to have the copyright section here. Okay. This and that's it. After you have those, so I don't want to do it again. It's a layout. I don't want to do, you know, 'cause it's gonna take time. So I'm just gonna go and grab somewhere where it has already. So remember, when you are creating a website, you want to make you want to get out, you know, get things, you know, the easy way out, but still it need to be professional. You know what I mean? Yeah. So because otherwise it would take you forever to do one thing. So now, since we have that, there you go. Although I still have this one here, I'm gonna remove it. Come on, it takes forever, really, guys. You know, so bear with me. I think this part I'm just gonna do it later, but I'm just showing you how you can integrate the legal terms of use because this part is very important. This part is very important, and the rest will leave it that way. Okay. So here, since you have your, there you go. So I need the space here because I'm kind of like feel a little tight when I'm editing them. So I'm gonna move it a little. See, that's what I'm trying to say because I can't move. You know, my cursor cannot move if I do that, right? So I'm just gonna add a little space here so I can move around. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. So here is the most important thing here. Okay, this is where you can link your legal terms information. What does that mean? So I want to go and let's see and check this out here. Terms of use, that is fine. I think we did this before. So we're going to go to the page and we need to check the see terms of website use. That is the page where we can have your terms of service, terms of website use. That's important. And here we're gonna go check what does that mean? Privacy police? That's not the right word. Okay, so you have to change. This is the this is the default content inside Builderall. So you be very careful and check those. Otherwise, you know, you'll make a mistake. So we need to find the privacy policy here. Privacy policy. Then you just need to connect them. Connect it. And the GPR, we don't actually need this. We take this away. And if you have a, let's see, and check this out, because I think we have a privacy policy. No, return. Yeah, shipping and return policy. This is what we need to link with that one, and we need to replace the content to shipping and return policy. Okay, as you can see, it's legal information. So what do you need is click the edit button, and you can do shipping policy. Okay, so it's a lot easier. Shipping policy. Since this is e-commerce that we are working on, and so it always have some kind of those things. So terms of use, shipping policy. I'm gonna do edit one more time because it doesn't actually. I want to do like you know terms of website use. Okay, so that's it, and then privacy policy. I'm just changing how it was written. Privacy policy. That's it. Let's save it. There you go. Bam, it's ready, right? So the color, I think we need to use the branding, right? So we need to be very careful with that. And for that matter, I think I need to, the black thingy is showing up here. So let's see if we can change that. If there's a way we can change the colors, I guess. Border, I don't know, round border, brand. Yeah, I think it's right here. Yeah, this is the one. The burger menu, burger background color. I think this is the one, right? And we need to replace them. So we want to use the client's color scheme pattern. So in that case, I think we will just gonna use. We want to blend the color, right, or match it up to the proper color. So I think I would gonna use the light green here. So it's not too obvious, like there you go. Let's check it out. For some reason, it doesn't change yet. Yeah, now it did change, right? As you can see. Oh no. Let's save it. I don't know if that's the one that I'm kind of like pointing the right colors, or it didn't change anyway. So okay, I'm just gonna leave it that way for now because it takes so much time, and I'm gonna do the size back. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that way, and the copyright should be under the your client's website domain name. So we're gonna change this. Taking forever, right? Really. Sometimes this is the thing, when you do your editing, it's depends on your website, or your internet, your computer. So you want to have this, let's say today's, what's the company name? I want to see the name. Today's nutrition choices. Okay, because today's, you want to have that copyright under their domain name. today's nutritions.com. For now, I'm gonna replace this, because taking forever, just doing little thing. Okay, so for now, and then just gonna add later. Okay, so now we set this up. I wanna I wanna center this, and probably later I will replace this because we want to add the we're gonna change this into, let's say, instead of politics, we're gonna do like about us, okay, and have content of what is the company about, okay. So politics sounds like it's not appropriate for what they are selling. So about us, that is what we're gonna have here. And literally, since I'm already here, I want to replace the fonts, and I'm gonna use the one that they would like to use, which is the London. This is the one I add up, and I wanna resize them, probably 30. That should be good enough. And since I'm already here, I might, as you can see, we're just only editing this part, and it's almost taking us forever, right? So that's how it is, guys. So creating a website is like sometimes you need to be patient. Patience. And here I just want to use the brand fonts, which is the Montserrat. Okay. And I wanna do it right now since I'm already here. So Montserrat Classic, there you go. And I would do probably 20 here. 20. There you go. 20. It's way too much, I think. Let's do 17. I think it's way too big for. There you go. I think 17 is perfectly fine. There you go. And here is we can put this thing right here. And here, the contact us. We can literally change the fonts here as well. So we won't do it again next time, right? I told you guys, when you are creating, you have to do step by step. Do not go to other pages unless you are completely done, with the other task that you're working on. So in that case, you will not forget anything, right? And then go back. You know what I mean? You don't want to keep coming back into one page once you're done. So here, in order to edit this, what I do is actually I double click them, and once you're allowed to edit, then you can change all the fonts. And this is the thing here. I want you to, when you are creating, I mean, you can follow along with me. Oh, something is not really right here. So I did choose the fonts here, which is the Montserrat. Let's do 17. Why it's way too big from the other one I have here. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm deleting this. So I told you guys, uh, when you are creating, you want to do the easy way out. So I'm having hard time doing, editing those things. So I'm gonna duplicate this, see, and just move it right here, you know, and now they are the same. Okay, here, since I'm having a hard time doing that, I'm gonna delete this and duplicate this one here, right? Instead of about us, what I have here earlier? Contact us, okay? This is what we have here, okay? So here's what we're gonna do. We take this away, contact us, all right? There you go. I think it's way too big, right? We need to, yeah, you need to be, okay, I'm gonna have, let's say 20. 20 should be good enough. Yes, I think 20 is good enough to have here. Yeah, I think people can read that, right? So here, same thing, edit them, and we'll do 20. Okay, there you go. So you want to lay out what we have here first. Contact us should be shortened, I guess. So here, if you will follow along with what I'm doing, literally you can, uh, in no time, you will learn faster, fast, because this is how I learned to, how to edit or how to create website faster inside BuilderAll, you know, and I managed to, because here's the thing on BuilderAll. A lot of people failed working on BuilderAll. It's because they don't have patience, and they think if they're gonna be on BuilderAll, they can literally create, yeah, I mean, earn income right away. But that's not how it is. Okay, BuilderAll is really, really a great platform to earn income, but you need to be patient and learn. If you're not willing to learn, get out. You know, I think it's also applied to any kind of like business. There's no easy way, to for you to earn income. You have to work. You have to work hard. Okay, so some affiliate, what happened when they work on Builder All, they don't even want to learn how to create a website. They don't. They thought that the affiliate marketing, although it could happen, right? You can do use the Builder All affiliate system, and if you have money to advertise, right? But if you don't have enough money and you want to use your skills, this is the thing that they've been asked in the forum inside the Builder All group. Aside from affiliate, what else they can use to generate income inside Builder All platform? Of course, you can do that. Learn learn the tools itself, learn how to create a website. So you need to be patient. And if you're not gonna learn, and if you're not gonna be some kind of have the authority, and people would know that you know what you are doing, you won't be able to make it. You cannot get a client. So you need to be in the social media, you need to be visible in social media. If not, you won't be able to get a single client. And that's what I do. I am I'm a digital marketer, and also I advertise a lot using organic, through social media, and that's how it should, because the ongoing thing right now is about online. So if you're not gonna do that, then you won't able to make it, So even if you are affiliate, you need to be able to, be visible in social media. Okay, here's the thing right now. Okay, I think we almost made this done. The footer is done. Uh, Here, you can all add images here. It could be your logo. For now, that's what we're gonna do. Let's say pretend this is your logo. Let's give this a try. This is their logo. Yeah, this is her logo. They can add this here, right? Basically. And now you don't leave any like some kind of empty space, in your footer area. Am I making sense? I think this video is done because it my ring alarms already. So I try to set the time, normally from 30 to 40 minutes video tutorial, so you can be able to, not to get bored and leave, the tutorial. And here's another thing. I noticed, right? And it's also been in the forum for the past, I've seen in BuilderAll. Why one of the members says why people bought courses and they don't apply. And I've seen a lot of response. It's really really interesting question. And I've seen response that sometimes people is kind of like they think the opportunity is as easy as that you know by buying the course they can just easily make money out of it, uh, and most of them are kind of like not interested to learn. And what happened is it's kind of like a shiny object that, oh, they see when they saw these ads, become an affiliate or learn this thing and you will earn income money online. But there is something inside of it, and what it is about you learning new skills. If you're not gonna learn new skills in this time and era, especially online, you won't able to make it. There's is there is no easy way. I know you've seen a lot of, let's say, advertisement on how you can earn money online the easy way. There's no easy way. There's no such thing. If you see some ads online, are telling, they can invest, let's say, 5,000, $10,000, and you get money instantly. That is scam. Okay, do not go to that, because everything that you work online, you need to have skills, and otherwise that's completely a scam. Okay, so do not fall into it. In order for you, one of my students are asking, because he tried drop shipping and he thought that drop shipping is just that easy. uh, he watched some courses and right away, open up a store and then do the advertisement through Facebook. didn't realize that it's not only that, there's a lot to it in order for you to win or get a product that will sell online. He just took the basic information and he went into setting up his website, not knowing the entire things that inside of it, to learn first and not to go, like very abrupt decision that, he will advertise, and now he says that he's not getting purchase. He's not, getting any sales. It's because you need to learn more further about advertisement, about Facebook, about how to find the right product and all that. And this is the, sad but true. That's why most online business who are people who are into are failing. It's because they don't want to spend time to learn, new skills to learn. But when you apply what you bought from any courses, and not just, have a moment and, see a little of the video tutorial, and then you gone and left, and you don't actually spend your time, then that's absolutely, eventually you are going to fail. You are going to fail. So this is the reason why on my program I do teaching, I do all the coaching one by one, one on one. So you will be able to literally apply what you have learned from my course. And I'm literally stand to that, wherever I go. Okay, anyway, don't want to be sounds like I'm preaching here, but that's the reality. Okay. Anyway, guys, I think well, I will have to see you next time on my next video. So I think we're almost done with this the homepage, and it literally looks cool so far. And eventually I'm going to use the client's actual product on this website. Anyway, you guys have a great day and see you in the next video.